What's going on, guys? Greg with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video. I did start Invisalign a couple months ago, so I should probably take this out. The top one, it's pretty hard to talk with it in. It makes me sound like I have a lisp, which may be good for the channel because it would make me seem a little more nerdy. We're gonna be authentic here, so let's go, mother. After I spent about 10 hours editing a video to try to explain to all of you how to connect the UGreen NAS to Thunderbolt 3 or 4 ports on your PC or MacBook, UGreen went and pushed out an update for last week that enables Thunderbolt connections, direct Thunderbolt connections, meaning yes, you can connect your PC or MacBook to the NAS directly through Thunderbolt networking. And if you're using Windows, when you connect it, it will show up in the UGreen OS. When you're using the computer, it may not show up on the app, but it will show up on the PC or Mac app that you're using. You will be able to change the IP address if you need to. What I suggest doing is actually just leaving it, testing out the connection. So once you connect the Thunderbolt 4 port, it's going to show up, and you want to check both on the NAS and both on your computer that the connection is working. And then you can use that connection for SMB. Number one, you want to get the IP address that it automatically creates through UGreen, and you want to type that into the Windows Explorer, and you'll be able to connect to it from SMB. But there are some SMB settings that you might want to check out. SMB multi-channel, you want to make sure that's on if you have more than one connection. How you can really test the speed and make sure it's working, you can see in a task manager that it's just utilizing that network connection, which would be the Thunderbolt connection. I'm very proud for UGreen anyways to say that I'm getting the full capabilities of my machine through UGreen OS. 20 gigabit per second connection. I'm getting about 1.2 gigabits per second like maximum. So even if I have 3 network connections and I'm aggregating them, I still don't get over like 1.2 gigabits per second. So I think it's really awesome that UGreen has enabled the Thunderbolt connection. For right now, UGreen wasn't letting me aggregate any of the Thunderbolt ports with my regular Ethernet connection. And I was able to do that when I did it manually through SSH. If you were interested in checking out the video I did on how to change the IP address of the UGreen NAS in SSH, I'll put it right there. I did put a lot of time into it, but it's really not worth watching now because you can automatically see the Thunderbolt port when you connect your UGreen NAS to whatever device you're using. And I know a lot of people have been asking UGreen for this, so I'm super excited that they are listening. They actually came up with this update relatively quick. I've had the UGreen NAS for a while now, and I had it long enough that enough people had asked me to make a video. So I spent a long time making that video, and it happens, you know, it's no longer relevant, but I'm okay with that. Even if I helped 400 people or 100 people, that's why I make videos, and that's why I've continued to make videos for the past 10 years. And if this is your first time here, guys, my name's Greg with PizzlesTechTime, and I make tech videos weekly in order to keep you entertained and well informed. And I have a little message here on my channel. I like to say embrace goodness and you'll attract greatness, and that just means be honest and keep your integrity high, and think of other people and have empathy. Be a good person. At least you should aspire to be a good person. I'm not saying any of us need to be perfect, but I think a rising tide lifts all ships. So jump on board with me. Please subscribe. UGreen, thank you so much for updating this wonderful machine. And if you want to watch any of my other UGreen videos, I'll put another link for it right there. My name's Greg with PizzlesTechTime. Links in the description are for shopping. They are affiliate links. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Until next time, I'm out. Peace. I still do want to get my dad to test these when he's COVID right now.